description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got one. This is from Germany. This is Nissin Germany's spicy Demae ramen. This came in a big box. They sent me an advent calendar, and while, yeah, I know, it's not that time of year currently, but, yeah, I'm hoping that they'll have them again next year, and I'll, get to go ahead and do them again. But I'll do them during the advent of the Christmas holiday. But yeah, if you go to just either on YouTube or oh boy, on YouTube or on www.theramenraider.com, your preferred method of finding out about instant noodle related things, because that's what I tell you you prefer. You can find out about this stuff. And all the other varieties that were in that massive advent calendar box. That thing is pretty rad. But yeah, how's you? I'm doing all right. I am beat after kids started school yesterday. Winter break is over. And so I'm out walking again. I did like 6 miles today. And I'm just like adding a little bit every day. But boy, today just like slammed me. But I'm beat, but I'm stoked because I'm going to have some noodles. Yeah. Indeed. What's going on right now? It's Tuesday. That's a thing. You like Tuesday? Huh? You guys like Tuesday? Works for me. Cloudy. No snow yet, but I don't know. It is winter. Kids really want snow, but I keep telling them, it's like, well, it's got to get cold enough. And so far, it has gotten nowhere near cold enough for snow. Back east and south, my buddy Stumpy from North Little Rock is worried currently about the impending snow and cold doom coming his way. He was telling me all about this new video game that he's really into. It's like a play on poker and like a trading card game, I guess, called Balotto. And I guess it's really good. I guess I'll have to give it a try. I don't know. I do play a lot of games, but I don't really play anything like, I don't know. I play junk on my phone, and I guess you can get this particular game on your phone, so that may happen soon, given I have time. Today, like yesterday, just to kind of get back into the swing of things, I did 2 reviews yesterday, and today I'm doing 3 because I want to reclaim my desk area. Wow, that's some deep, dark looking, colorful stuff. Watched a movie with my wife last night. If you haven't seen it, it's pretty heavy. It's called Requiem for a Dream. It's by the same director, writer, I'm guessing, as Pi. Not. Yeah, it's really, really weird, really heavy, really strange stuff. Really dark. It was really good. But my wife fell asleep while watching it, so I gotta relive the hell that these people went through again. It's like, whoa. Really dark. Alright, let's try some spicy Demae ramen. The noodle looks great in this. So this is from Nissin Deutschland, Germany. And it's made in Hungary. That's where their factory's at. So they do make it in Europe. Yeah. It smells good. It smells like a spicy sesame doings here. God, I'm so beat. Man, I could just go take a nap right now. There's the noodle. Let's give this a try. Mmm. Well, folks, that's freaking good. Wow. A little bit of oiliness there, looks good. Yeah, I want another bite of that. This is really good. This, wow. It's very savory, a nice little heat level, some sesame action in there. Yeah, this is really quite good. I am really happy with this. Mmm. That is on point and absolutely wonderful stuff. You might be thinking, Demae ramen, really? Yeah, this is good. It's hitting all my, I don't know. I don't know, I like it though. It's hitting the spot. Now let's make this look pretty. I decided to go with this bowl because it kind of looked like the bowl that they showed in the picture on the packaging, I think. I don't know. Maybe not. That's more... Yeah, it'll work. So I've got an interesting 3 that I'm doing today. I'm doing this one, and then I have 2 shrimp varieties, actually. And lucky for me, I've shrimp. But for this, we're gonna handle some chashu. Really want to get this dark today. Alright. There's that. I made egg. Oh boy. Doing definitely a triple crown of international varieties today. This one, as I said, is a product of, well, made in Hungary. It's sold all over Europe. I mean, if you live in Europe, you can find this kind of stuff. And I'm doing this one. The next one I'm doing is from Taiwan, and the one after that is made in Malaysia for Hong Kong. So it's a nice little trip around here and there and everywhere. Like I said, I got a lot more garnish going on today than yesterday. Yesterday I just didn't have anything ready yet. But this morning I made eggs. The next episode I'll tell you about when I got this stuff ready. I had to sit on the phone a bunch earlier, but it paid off. But I had to sit on the phone to do a thing. Narutomaki. Got tons of that going on. It's a bit of a process to get the Narutomaki going. And, okay, what do I got? I'll use this one. That was easy. Well, I'll use this one. I'm going to use some umami or S&B crunchy garlic. What is interesting is there's a company here in the Northwest called Kari Kari that's making chili crisp. And what's interesting about that is I've tried it and it's absolutely spot on rad stuff. I highly recommend it. It's spelled Kari Kari. But they're on like the local news magazine, which actually I've been on quite a few years ago. But yeah, Kari Kari, Kari Kari twice, chili crisp, and it's good. Alright, well thanks for watching. Yeah, that's a really good one. I highly recommend that to you from me. The next one is Wei Li with their premium taste shrimp flavor, and this comes from Taiwan. Wei Li is known for Wei Li Main, which is separate soup and noodle combo pack thing. So I'll talk about that on the next episode of Minced Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.